Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best stick welders on Amazon. If you need a welder, a stick welder is a great place to start. Stick welding is one of the most popular welding techniques. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Decopro MMA 160A Arc Welder. This tool uses advanced IGBT inverter technology to deliver a powerful stick welder capable of welding steel, stainless steel, and even cast iron. Multiple unique control modes help you tackle any welding work. It's built tough. This stick welder has a high-intensity body with structural strength thanks to a solid frame. It operates with a high-performance, fully silent fan motor with instant cooling and protection via a synchronous control system. It delivers a stable current with a voltage that's accurate and adjustable to prevent overloading for more efficient welding. And this stick welder is portable too, with a carrying handle and compact, lightweight design. One downside is that some customers have reported damaged products. Make sure to inspect your product upon delivery for any missing or damaged parts. If there are any issues, reach out to Deco as soon as possible regarding a possible replacement. Number 2. Yes Welder Stick MMA Welder. This stick welder is powerful, with a built-in hot start feature that makes arc starting easy. IGBT soft switch technology delivers excellent arc stability between 20 and 205 amps, which is especially great for thin workpieces. It includes a 10-foot electrode holder and cable, a 10-foot ground clamp and cable, and a 6-foot power cable. This stick welder provides automatic compensation for voltage fluctuation, as well as protection for overcurrent and overload situations. It also offers automatic temperature control, fan dormancy, and steeples amperage control. And this stick welder delivers a flawless weld with less splatter and less cleanup. One issue some customers have had is with damaged products upon delivery. If there are any issues with your stick welder after receiving it, reach out to the company's customer service team regarding a potential refund or replacement product. Number 3. Cinder Stick Welder 160 amp Dual Voltage Welding Machine. This is a powerful and versatile welding machine that is ideal for beginners and professionals alike. This welding machine is designed to be easy to use, and it features dual voltage input options, which means you can use it with either a 110V or 220V power source. This makes it perfect for use in a variety of settings, from small home workshops to larger industrial environments. Its IGBT inverter technology, which delivers a smooth and stable welding arc that is both efficient and precise. The welding machine also features a hot start function that helps to prevent electrode sticking, which is a common problem when welding with traditional stick welders. It is easy to use, portable, and versatile, making it an excellent choice for a wide range of welding applications. While it may not be the best choice for heavier welding tasks, it is more than capable of handling most welding jobs with ease. Number 4. Forney Easy Weld Arc Welder. This stick welder is incredibly easy to use because of its easy start technology that makes arc strikes effortless. It operates on an inverter power system with 120-volt input and 90-amp output, and it handles a rod up to 1/8 inch. The stick welder includes an 8-foot electrode holder and an 8-foot ground clamp. The entire welding unit weighs 9.65 pounds and measures 12 into 5.5 into 10.5 inches, making it perfectly portable for bringing anywhere you need to weld. This stick welder is an excellent choice for beginners, but it's also beneficial for enthusiasts, maintenance work, and well-versed experts. One downside is that it is a great product for beginners, but advanced welders may want to consider a different product for more difficult welding jobs. The welder is not quite as advanced as other models built for professionals for its premium price point. Number 5. Amico 160 amp Stick Welder. Whether you're using this stick welder at home or a job site, it'll deliver a strong, concentrated, and more stable arc. It's optimized to deliver a flawless weld, limiting spatter and post-weld cleanup. It has a cellulose electrode with force adjustment, and IGBT inverter technology provides stability, hot start, anti-sticking, and steepled amperage control. You'll also enjoy automatic compensation for voltage fluctuations, as well as overvoltage, undervoltage, overcurrent, and overload protection. This stick welder has a wide voltage range of 100 to 250 volts and 50 to 60 Hz for long welding jobs. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.